I would just like to say, before the video starts, it's way funnier in in about 1.5 speed. So you should fix that. Thank you. Deserve one. That dummy is getting caught. Okay. What was their name again? Could I not? Whatever. Should I even voice him for this part? I don't know. Maybe I'll just talk over. I don't know. This fight just it ain't nothing. You know why? Because he does the same thing over and over and over again. There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can do. He just diddles me. Like I'm do. Get him. He's over here.
You guys.
Dummies. Dummy. Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures. You're fired. You're all being replaced. Yeah. Now, you'll see my true power. Relying on people that aren't garbage. Mechanical world, fill the room. Oh no, they're gonna get me. I lied. Oh, please. I'm about to cut this whole fight out of the video. I'm not gonna. Y'all are never gonna see this. Maybe you will. Oh no. Oh my god, leave me alone. Alright, you know what? No. I'm so sick of this game. I'm sick. Alright. Agent, stay determined. I guess I will. It's 𝕬𝕀 I love this part. Maybe I should put some anime music over it. What do you think? I'm not gonna do that. Oh no, he's angry. I'm skipping over all of this dialogue. Oh, I gotta restart. Oh my goodness. Oh no, you'll never get me. Oh, owie. Wrap it up, buddy, wrap it up. You ain't gonna defeat me, I'm sorry. You really not him for real. One. Yep. Oh, I did that kind of perfectly. You're not gonna do a yap. You might be doing a little something. I'll stand over here to the side. And everything. Blah, 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 blah. Can we wrap it up, please? Can I go home now? What y'all know about that SpongeBob? Y'all just weren't there for the peakness of what SpongeBob really was. Like, what you know about the campfire song? I would sing it for you right now if this egregious heifer wasn't in front of me. He just keeps going, like, please stop. Know when to stop. Please. Let me go. It's not even a fun fight. You're just egregious. You're terrible. You're a terrible person. Oh, I can still get hit by those.
Failures, you're all fired. You're fired. Yeah.
Now you'll see my true power. Relying on people that aren't garbage. Ooh. Okay. And loop-de-loop. Oh, all them hit you. That's terrible. I'm actually too crazy at the game. I'm over here. I'm over here. Can we not? I couldn't even heal. No way. These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends. I've got knives. You didn't do that. I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck right here forever. Why? What the hell? Oh, acid rain. Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. Thank the Lord. Because I almost died. Oh, it's Mr. Man. Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys looks like you were having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. Well, I'm going to head home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want. But no pressure. I understand if you're busy. And it's fine. No worries. Oh, just thought I'd offer. Yeah. Should we go hang out with him? Hey, my house is up here. In case you want to see. Or in case you don't. Should we go hang out with him? I think we should go see him. It wouldn't hurt. Oh, but we gotta go talk to the duck. This little bird wants to carry you across. Not right now. I shall return later. Ooh, oh gosh. Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Hello? Oh my. Oh, you really came. Sorry. I wasn't expecting. Why does he have an accent now? I think I like it for him though. I think I'm gonna stick with it. It's not much, but make yourself at home. Let's see what he got in his fridge. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. What you got for me? This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Why not? You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it. Oh, never mind. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? Let's lay on the ground. Let's be trash. Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. You'll lie on that. You'll lie down as long as you want. Never mind. So only move around when you want to get up, I guess. All right, guys, we gotta lay down with him. we should get up. I feel like it would be.
Me.
Should I ask Google when we should get up? I think I'm gonna ask Google. Hey Google, if you were lying on the ground in space, when would you stop?
You can't
Stop! Wait. Hey Google, if you were lying on the ground in space, when would you stand up?
Without gravity to define down or provide leverage, you wouldn't stand up. You would simply float in your current
Okay. But if there was a ground in space, and you were lying on it, when would you stand up? Google, please! What are we talking? This is the most useless AI I've ever dealt with. Hey, Google, if you were lying in space, and there was a place to stand in space, I know you can't stand in space, so you don't have to explain that to me. But if you were lying on the ground, when would you stand up?
I would stand up immediately. Without the weight of gravity pressing me down, it would be the easiest and fastest movement possible. Would you like to know how different levels of...
Would you stand up immediately because you're scared of space?
Yes, I would.
Oh my! All right, shut up! Get out of my face, get out, please. He's so annoying. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Yeah, we're not asking Google nothing else, bro. Yeah, he's out of there. Oh, you want to see the snails? Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to 𝕌ℕ𝔻𝔼𝕽 Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. That's crazy. Let me check the time. Alright, we're at a solid 10 minutes. Let's talk to this old grouchy man. Well there, I've got some neat junk for sale. Sir, I don't want anything you gotta give me. But let's talk about you, you know? I've been around for a long time. Maybe too long. Studying history sure is easy when you live to it so much of it yourself. Oh my god. Oh? Y'all know what that is? What are they teaching you in school today? That's... Oh, 𝕍𝕗𝕗𝕗. That's a neat Easter egg. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad I talked to this dude. The kingdom of monsters. Great name, huh? It's as if I always said, Old King Fluffy Butt's cat named for beans. See what it means. That emblem actually predates written history. The only meaning has been lost to time. All we know is that the triangle symbols, us monsters below, and the weird circle above symbolizes something else. Yeah. Most people say it's the angel for the prophecy. Prophecy? Oh yeah, the prophecy. Legend has it, an angel who has seen the surface will descend from above and bring us freedom. Lately, the people have been taking a bleaker outlook, calling the winged circle the angel of death, a harbinger of destruction, waiting to fear for the move around.
Maybe when I see that little circle, I just think it looks neat.
Alright, we gotta. Sorry, dude. I gotta leave you. I have things to do. I got kids to feed. I gotta go.
Be careful out there, kid.
Yo, we'll never talk to him again. Never talk to him again. Oh, no, what's the sign say?
Hurt, baby.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know why I started reading it like that. We're just gonna shuffle this way. Ooh, we can go see y'all wanna go see Tammy? Hold on. I'll let y'all in the secret to the Tammy village. I think it's over here. Special enemy, Tammy appears here to defeat you. Let's feed Tammy. Tammy only wants Timmy Flicks.
No! So hungry, guys.
Tammy, I don't... Why is it going out of screen? Tammy need to go. Let's flex.
No! Muscles, not cute.
Oh, I have to disagree.
No!
Just the two of us, huh? Please, Aaron, you're just a freak. I'm gonna need you. What is ready for your next flex? Matter of fact, I'm gonna have a flex off with him. Aaron flexes very like I don't know what I just heard. I gotta get out of I'm sorry. I gotta go. Y'all are stressing me out. Y'all making me hear noises. I don't know what that was.
I put bug spray in my little brother 𝕉ℕ𝔻𝔼𝕽𝕗𝕒𝕗𝕒𝕗𝕗𝕗 eye. I smacked my sister that has Tourette's because she called me a bad word. My goofy uncle karate shot my grandpa's broken knee, and he got turned into a pretzel.